At 3:30 today. But right now, we're going to get two boys in the air who just love to do what they do. Look above and behind you to the left. Here comes Buck and Dan. It's the Red Eagle Air Sports team with magic in the air. You know, it's fun to see an air show pilot do his thing. It's even more fun to see two people do it together. Back then, and Buck actually have spring training every year to sharpen up the act, and it just gets better and better and better. And against this beautiful blue Georgia October sky today, those airplanes really pop, don't they? It's just a big job. It is just gorgeous. By the way, you can also participate in Dan McClung's upset training at aerobatic school in Jasper, Alabama. Both Buck and Dan are aces. Here's check out their website at RedEagleAirSports.com for follow them on Facebook as well. They've got a terrific Facebook page now full of videos and tips. See if we can get him to do the Red Eagle formation hammerhead. Now watch this, folks. Show center, absolute precision. Here we are, the very same altitude, and bingo! What a beautiful maneuver. There's Dan McClung on the left, Buck Roman is on the right. They're gaining altitude. Let's listen as they call tally-ho for the very first of our 400-mile-an-hour combined speed Eagle passes. Right at show center. Watch.
Here they come right at each other. They're upside down. Oh, no, they're upside down.
It was pretty close, folks. But you know what? Knowing these guys, they're not going to be happy unless they give each other an air haircut. So let's watch them do it again. All right, give Buck on the left and Dan on the right. I think they're going to race the head a little bit. Will they go ninth edge? Watch it. Here they go. Nice fly from Dan McClung and Buck Roman, ladies and gentlemen. Now, let's see just what these airplanes can do. That's a one-of-a-kind talent eagle that Dan McClung is flying up an air show left right now. The upright slider, ladies and gentlemen. This is something that normal airplanes just don't do. Watch this. That is just amazing. Just a Neither one of these guys are happy if they spend more than a couple of seconds. Inside, outside. Dan and Buck just love what they do, and they love passing it along more than anything else. Their dedication to kids, especially the Young Eagles program and other programs to expose young people to aviation, is unmatched anywhere in the air show business. Dan's gonna practically hover that airplane. This is what he calls the torque eagle, hanging up there on that prop, twisting in the breeze, what little there is of it. And listen to him wind up the talent eagle with snap rolls in the down line. Decent flying by Dan McClung, ladies and gentlemen. And now, to honor Dan's military service, a tradition of the Red Eagle Air sports team, Dan and Buck will form up again for Dan and Buck, you're giving the crowd a great show again today, folks. This is just a little team that's coming up later in the day today from your Red Eagle Air Sports team, ladies and gentlemen. Sponsored for the 13th year by the fine folks at PPG Aerospace, the award-winning aviation company that's the aerospace products and services division of PPG Industries. The Red Eagle Air Sports team would also like to thank them.